Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet Stroker, 450 horsepower for our customer's 1985 K10 4x4. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. We have the brass freeze plugs in the engine block painted black, correct oil pan for the 85 K10 4x4. We have the Taylor ignition wires made in USA in red with all the wire markers on there. It's real nice black 383 stroker valve covers. The 12-inch by 2-inch high oval air cleaner with a washable filter. We have the black intake manifold, the black thermostat housing with a high flow thermostat. Heavy duty Russell PCV hose, PCV valve installed. We have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the HEI distributor set in place. We always install the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy. High torque mini starter aligned, all set. Chrome dipstick and tube. Black push-in breather. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed in the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. We have the braided fuel line at the carburetor, electric choke wire. Muscle Car Series fuel pump, all the AN fittings, heavy-duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps, inline gas filter accessible up high. This is the black Wraptor pulley kit, heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, AC compressor on there, black reverse rotation high-flow water pump, 160 amp one-wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine is live run at Engine Factory for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We adjust the idle mixture screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. You ready to buy? Give us a call. 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's a family operated business here. Been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 383 stroker engine with the black Wraptor pulley kit, AFR heads, roller cam, ready to go. Thanks for watching.